magic. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to recreate the makeup look that I wore in my trying Japanese candies and snack video, because a few of you requested that. I mean, not requested, you guys suggested to film a tutorial on the makeup that I wore in that video, and here I am. And to achieve this makeup look I used again the Swear by It eyeshadow palette from NYX, and I don't know what happened because I feel like in that video my makeup, it was a little bit more greenish and today is more like bluish, and I don't know why, because I used the exact same colors. I messed a little bit with this shade. I went first with this one, but then I realized that I used the gold color from here. Let me show you. Today I messed a little bit and I went first with this shadow right here, but then I realized that it was more gold. Like my makeup, it was more gold, and I applied this color on top. So yeah, also I didn't wear eyeliner in that video because I haven't had this. So also I applied this green eyeliner in my waterline, and also I had a different lip color, so yeah, it was a nude color. Oh, and I'm wearing again this combo, and I am impressed. Oh my god, I cannot believe how good my skin looks. Wow, I'm impressed. I know they are high-end and expensive, but whew, they look amazing on my skin. So yeah guys, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to prep my lids for the eyeshadows, and I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer, and as you can see I didn't set that because I want the colors to be very vibrant. And if you hear some sounds in the background, there's still constructions going on my street, so that's that. I didn't know exactly if I want to do a voiceover for this video because of that, but hey, here I am. So for my transition shade I used that peachy brown color, and I used just a tiny bit just to give like a nice transition for the colors. Then I went with this purplish bluish color. I don't know how to describe that, but actually I didn't like that color and I switched with the brighter one, with this color right here, this one. And this is such a beautiful blue color, and I feel like it has a little bit of green in it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So I went and I built that color a lot, and don't forget to blend those edges because we want them to be very soft and diffused. And next I went and I cut the crease. Well, I did the halo eye makeup, and this is not very precise. This is more like for lazy days halo eye makeup. And to do that I used the NYX Glitter Primer because I really wanted to see if this makes the shimmers to stand out, and yes, this works really nice with the shimmers from this palette. And as I said in the beginning, I messed up. I went first with this color, and I don't know why, because my makeup, it was gold in that video, and yeah, on top of that I went with the gold shimmer, and wow, so beautiful. Then I went back with that bright blue and I diffused a little bit the edges because I really wanted a very nice transition in between the colors. And to give this makeup look a little bit more definition, a little bit more depth, I took this dark blue and I applied that in my inner corners and my outer corners, as I said, to give it a little bit more definition. On my bottom lash line I also applied a little bit of concealer, and here I'm just wiping off the fallouts. And first I'm going to start with that bright blue, and I'm going to create the halo effect as well on my bottom lash line. And then I went with the darkest blue, and in the center I applied a little bit more of that glitter primer, and right on top I went with the gold shimmer.
Where everything fits perfectly right into place. And even though it's not always happy ever after, I'm so glad that you're here to stay. Oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips Magic.
Next, I applied this green eyeliner in my waterline. Also, I tightlined with this. Such a beautiful green eyeliner. This is in the shade Teaspoon. Wow, gorgeous. So next I'm going to do my face, and then I'm going to go back on the eyes. So to bronze my face, I'm going to use this duo bronzer from Jouer. I don't really like this, but I wanted to change a little bit the products because I feel like I'm using the same products over and over again, so that's why I use this one. Yeah. Next I'm going to apply this gorgeous blush. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's in the shade Caribbean Coral. Wow, I feel like this is a little bit too pigmented, so that's why I removed the excess on my hand. But still, I feel like I applied too much, and I went back with the brush that I applied the bronzer to blend a little bit more. And to highlight my face, first I'm going to use this Super Shock highlight from Colourpop in collaboration with wow, Kathleen Light. I forgot her name for a second. This is in the shade On the Cusp. So gorgeous. But on top of that, I'm going to apply the Fenty Beauty Hustla Baby highlight. And wow, this combo is absolutely stunning.
You know, I never knew that I could feel this way. Well, oh baby, you're just like an angel. Your lips are something from the devil, even sweeter than I could have imagined. Well, you are magic.
Don't forget to set the face. And going back on the eyes, first I'm going to retouch a little bit my bottom lash line because when I applied my under eye concealer I kind of messed up a little bit. So first I'm going with that bright blue, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of that gold shimmer, and then I'm going to line my lash line because I'm going to apply falsies, and you already know that I'm going to use my Wispies from Ardell. On my lips, first I'm going to line them with this City Color liner. I don't know exactly what color is this. I'm going to list all the products down below. And then I'm going to go with this Dose of Colors lipstick. This is in the shade Brulee. So pretty. And right in the center of my lips, I'm going to apply the Fenty lip gloss. And that's it. Alright, so this is the final result. This is the makeup that I wore in my trying Japanese candies and snacks video. And I feel like in that video it was a little bit more greenish. Right now is a little bit more blue kinda, and I don't know why, because I used the exact same colors. Probably I used a different concealer, and that's the Cusp. But yeah, so I feel like it's super easy to achieve this makeup look. It doesn't have to be perfect, like the halo effect. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine is not perfect, but the effect is there. Yeah, also I noticed that during the day the shimmery shades from the NYX palette fades a little bit. Nothing crazy, just a tiny bit they lose from the intensity. So that's that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. That's it. I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. Wow, I had something in my eye today. You keep distracting me, okay?